Hello everybody, this is Technicya with another quick tutorial. In this video I will show you different ways to take a screenshot in Windows 10. You can take a screenshot on just about any platform. It's a built-in option that works great for basic tasks, but many third-party programs offer more ease of use and features. Method 1. Take quick screenshots with print screen. The print screen button on your keyboard can take a screenshot and save it as a file. Take a screenshot without saving it as a file, or take a screenshot of only one window instead of the whole screen. The print screen button may be labeled as print screen or something similar. To save your screenshot as a file, press the Windows logo key plus print screen. The screen will dim for a moment and you will see the screenshots appear as a file in a folder entitled Screenshot inside your default Pictures folder. The screenshot is automatically labeled with the number. To take a screenshot without saving, press the print screen. A screenshot of your display is now copied into the clipboard. Open your favorite images editor, word processor, or any other program just like Paint. Choose Edit to paste that image. To take a screenshot of only one window, click on the title bar of the window that you want to capture. Press Alt Print Screen. A screenshot of your current active window will be copied to the clipboard. Just paste it in your favorite image editor. To take a screenshot of any part of your screen, press Windows plus Shift plus S key. Your screen will appear grayed out of your mouse cursor will change. Click and drag on your screen to select the part of your screen you want to capture. A screenshot of the screen region you selected will be copied to the clipboard. Now you can paste it in any application. The second method is to take more flexible screenshots with snipping tools. The snipping tool has been a part of Windows for a long time. This tool was first introduced in Windows Vista and never got any new features apart from few bugs fixes. Snipping tool can take screenshots of an open window, rectangular area, or a free-form area, or the entire screen. You can animate your snip with different colored pens or a highlighter, save it as an image or HTML. The third method is to use keyboard shortcuts with Gamebar in Windows 10. Before you start using the Gamebar, launch the Xbox app that came with the Windows 10. Open in Setting. Under Game DVR toggle, take screenshots using Game DVR and assign whatever keyboard shortcuts you want. When you want to take a screenshot, use that keyboard combination Windows key plus G by default and click or tap on Yes. This is the game box if prompted. Now press the camera icon or Windows plus Alt plus print screen to take a screenshot. I hope these methods will be very helpful for taking a screenshot. If you like this video, thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe Technicya. Bye bye.